Ever thought ChatGPT was just for chatting? Think again. In the next 3 minutes, we're diving into the coolest ways you can supercharge your ChatGPT experience. Let's jump in. Introducing the Web ChatGPT extension. Search Web ChatGPT on Google, click the first link, install, toggle, and boom, Google at your ChatGPT's fingertips. Now when you head back to ChatGPT, you'll see this little switch that you can toggle on and connect straight to Google, so now you can ask it just about anything, even current events like why Elon Musk changed Twitter to X. But wait. How about a personal DJ? For this one you'll need ChatGPT 4, but trust me, it is totally worth it. Then click your profile, click on Setting and Beta, toggle on Plugins. Now head to the plugin store and search for Playlist AI. Once you've installed it, you can ask ChatGPT something like create a playlist of the greatest hits from the 2020s. It'll then take that prompt and generate a list of songs for you, but more importantly, it'll create a link, which will take you directly into Spotify, where it automatically created a playlist based on your prompt. Next ChatGPT plugin is actually one of my favorites. Once you've installed it, you can give it some of your health stats and ask it to create a workout plan for you based on your goals, and in a couple of seconds it'll create a super detailed workout plan for you, but also great pictures to see what muscles you're targeting. Now, search on Google for an extension called BotRush. Once you've installed it back inside ChatGPT, you'll notice this new box where you can do a couple of things, but more importantly, within settings you can actually customize and change the appearance of your ChatGPT. So you can do a few things like change it to multiple different colors. There are so many different options to choose from. You can even change the font of your GPT. And there you have it. ChatGPT, but on steroids. If you loved these hacks, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech magic. Catch you in the next one.